Hello dear fans. A few facts about the largest ocean liner of our time. New technologies in shipbuilding are giving birth to amazing oceanic ships. In modern times, unique gigantic liners appear, capable of transporting thousands of people over the longest distances. Now the history of the construction of the Titanic does not seem so impressive. Among all existing ocean liners in the world, the largest and at the same time the most luxurious is considered to be RMS Queen Mary II, translated from English Queen Mary II. This giant is owned by Cunard Lines. Speaking of this ship, we can say that it is the next step in the cruise industry. In 2003, the ship was launched. It happened on March 21. It was put into operation in 2004 on January 12. This miracle is 345 m long. Its cost in accordance with the contract is $832 million. Such a cruise superliner has not been built, perhaps since the days of the infamous Titanic. The ship's maiden voyage was a huge success, with about 2,600 passengers on board. And this is at ticket prices from €1,300 to €1,400. RMS Queen Mary II is currently the only vessel on the traditional transatlantic route Southampton, New York. As a result of the not very good financial condition, the company was forced to change the home port of the ship in 2011, namely on December 1. This port became Hamilton, Bermuda, which is considered the British capital of the overseas territories. One of the reasons for the popularity of this liner is considered the movie Titanic, which reawakened interest in huge sea vessels, and even more so in sea travel, including among many wealthy people of the world. Thanks for watching.